In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add multiple clocks to the always on display on your Samsung Galaxy A24. So first, open the settings app, and under settings, scroll down until you find lock screen. Select always on display and then look for the option clock style. Here, you'll see different clock options you can use. So if you want to add multiple clocks, tap on the more icon here and then select this option here. So as you can see in the preview, you have the option of adding another clock as well as your local clock. So your local clock is default and it always stays there. You can't remove it. So if you want to add another clock, just tap on add city and then use this globe to select where you want the second city to be. So let me select somewhere like Bogota. So when you've tapped on the city, tap on add and then you'll be taken back to the preview where you can see that another city has been added. You can add up to 3 or 4 cities or more if you'd like. And the more you add, you'll see your preview keeps increasing. So when you're happy with that, just tap on done. And then you'll notice that when you go back to your always on display, your cities have been added. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.